Yo, what's up guys? You're back with your man TechNick, your go-to guy for videos on the latest tech. Today I really do have a special surprise for you on the latest tech. I actually have with me the Vivo X23. Now this phone only goes on sale in China next week, Friday the 14th, but I have it a whole week earlier thanks to my friend Frank. Hey, hi Frank!
Hi, I'm Frank.
Frank is my contact in Beijing, and if you're in Beijing and you need a contact, please drop me an email. This is the successor to the very well thought of Vivo X21. Now, this has a Snapdragon 670, which is upgraded from the X21 UD. UD standing for under display fingerprint reader. This simply is X23. There's no other version of it. There's only one version. Comes with 8 gigs of RAM, so your RAM is increased, and I also have 128 gigs of storage, micro SD card, all that other junk I'll get to in the review. For now, this is an unboxing video, so let's do this. There is a Magic Night version, which is the black. We also have a Phantom Red, and the one that I have here, which is actually Phantom Purple. And the reason I have it in Phantom Purple, my wife is behind this camera, is because this is a present for her. And that is why I have been so excited to do this. So here we go, babe. This is your new phone. Anyway, she's smiling behind the camera right now. Let's get right into this. Pity she has to wait a whole week to get this after my review though. So let's rip this beast open. It's got its latest under fingerprint sensor in it as well. Their 4th iteration of it, which is great. First thing you see in the box is this. You see the phone over there, X23. It's got this whole, like, I don't know if you could see that, but it's like all shimmering light. I'm gonna take the phone, pop it right to the side. So the reason I got this purple is because it's actually purple with some fiery pink in there. First thing you notice in the box is this charger. Now this is a 22.5 watt charger. That is huge. This fast charger is enormous. Another upgrade from the X21. It has an increased battery. So faster charger as well for that increased battery. Got some headphones over here. Got a nice little cover for it. That's pretty nifty. We've got some paperwork with the pin over there. All your usual stuff. And then we have got the charger. Now, unfortunately, this is still a micro USB charger, no USB Type-C, and it should have been since BBK Electronics, all of the other brands have opted for USB Type-C, and Vivo did with their Next as well, but obviously that's a more expensive phone. So let's put all this stuff to the side and let's get to the phone. So here it is. I'm gonna keep the back for a surprise. I can see it right here and it looks fabulous. Okay, so let's take it off the side here. Oh my god. Okay, anyway. So there's the front. Are you guys ready for the back? Let's check the back out. Bam! Pink, purple. It's also got this, I don't know if you could see this on here, this whole shimmer. It's like purple getting thrown into the pink at the top. It's a hot looking phone. Have the headphone jack, thank goodness. We've got the usual volume rocking buttons and power button on the side over there. Other side, oh, what is this? We've got an AI button just like the Vivo Next. That's a great little addition. At the bottom we've got the single firing speaker and unfortunately the micro USB. Powering it on up right here. Let's take a look at this teardrop notch. There we go. So if you look at that over there, look at that teardrop notch. The Oppo R17 and the OnePlus 6T that's going to steal that design has a teardrop notch as well, but it kind of bends in, which is nice, but this is smaller. I've got my wife's X21 here, and if you take a look at her display there, look at the notch. Look how notches have come. This has only been a year. iPhone to this to this. And I don't mind this kind of notch. I think it looks absolutely incredible. Let's see how it performs. It's got its brand new Snapdragon 670 chip in it. It is a mid-ranger, but it checks all the right boxes, and it has a new camera system on back. I'll leave all of that for the review. So until next time guys, this is TechNick.